Yeah, welcome back, children. So today we'll see exercise 10.2 problems beta. Exercise 10.2. Yeah, the first problem.
A toy is in the form of cone mounted on a hemisphere of diameter of the base and height of the cone are 6 centimeters and 4 centimeters.
What happened? A cone is replaced. Yeah. See, a cone is replaced on hemisphere.
So what happened now? Height of the cone and the diameter of the cone are
So cone details as given, that is diameter of the cone is 6 centimeters and height of the cone is 4 centimeters. Now look at, so diameter of the cone is nothing but beta 6, no? So radius of the cone is d by 2, so that is 6 by 2, that is 3 centimeters. Okay, so if you talk about radius, look at, it is a r, am I right? Now the r belongs to both hemisphere and cone. Okay, if you look at, the r belongs to both hemisphere and cone. Okay, right.
Now what I want to write, so the CSA of a toy, I can write that.
So CSA of a toy is equals to CSA of hemisphere plus CSA of a cone. Right. So CSA of hemisphere. CSA of a hemisphere formula, I will write it as 2 pi r square plus CSA of a cone formula pi r l, pi r l, pi r l. So radius we know, height we know, L we don't know. Am I right? So if you look at here, we know that L square is equals to r square plus h square. L is equals to square root of r square plus h square. Correct? So r value 3 square, h value 4 square. So we know square root of 9 plus 16, that is square root of 25. So that L is equals to 5 centimeters. Yeah, we got it, L value also now. So now I'll write beta. So 2 into 22 by 7 into r square. So 3 into 3. Okay. Plus 22 by 7 plus r value 3, L value 5. Correct?
Yeah, it's right.
So it is a 44 into 9 by 7 plus it is 22 into 15 by 7. Okay.
Later beta. Yeah, later
Pi RL value will write it as 330 by 7. I did it already. And that 2 pi r square answer we can write it as 396 by 7. 396 by 7. And both are like fractions, am I right? So simply we can add together and we can write it that 726 by 7, because 300 plus 300 600, 90 plus 30 120 and remaining 6. Okay, and if you convert that is into decimal form, 103.71 centimeter square. So that is our total area, that means CSA of a toy. What happens CSA there? If you talk about CSA, if you talk about the CSA, then what happened? So it is a complex figure and made by combination of two figures. One is the base as a hemisphere and at the top we have a cone. So when you finding the CSA of a toy, so I can say that It is a CSA of a hemisphere plus CSA of a cone, because it's a combination of two figures. Got it? So that I made it add of both, and here L value we don't know. So we know L relation, so that I find the relation of L. I think you understand. So we'll go with our second problem. Yeah, right.
The second is a solid is in the form of a right circular cylinder with a hemisphere cone at one side, it a hemisphere, and at another side it is hemisphere at one side and cone at other side. Okay.
So simply diagram I want to, yeah. So it is a cylinder. At one end it shows as hemisphere. At other end it shows cone. Yeah, it's a diagram.
Now, the radius of the common base is 8 centimeters.
Radius R is equal to 8. It is also R. Right.
So the radius of the common base is 8, and height of the height of the cylindrical and conical portions are 10 and 6 centimeters. Yeah. So now I'll write a
Cone. First I want to talk about cone portion. First portion. Okay. So R value we know is 8 centimeters has given, and H value has given 6 centimeters. Cone portion I am talking about only cone. Okay. Right. Then slant height. Slant height is equals to L, and we know L is equals to square root of R square plus H square. So R square we know is 8 square plus H square we know is 6 square. Square root of. So 8 square we know is 64, 6 square we know is 36, and square root of 100, and that gives answer 10. So L value is nothing but 10 centimeters.
right.
So now what I want to do, CSA of a cone. CSA of a cone formula pi RL. Simple. So pi value I can write 22 by 7, R value 8, L value 10. Am I right? So simply I'll write it as 22 into 80 by 7, that is equals to 176. Yeah, 1760 by 7, area no centimeter square. So it is up to cone. The cone value I got it as 1760 centimeter square. Okay. Next portion we have a cylinder. Okay. So I am talking about cylinder now. So cylinder R, radius is common for cylinder also. So R value 8 centimeters, and height of the radius cylinder is 10 centimeters, and CSA of a cylinder is nothing but 2 pi RH. So now I'll write 2 into pi value 22 by 7, R value 8, H value 10. So by 7 as it is I'll write I can write 22 2s are 44, 10 8s are 80. 32 3 carry 36. 32 3 carry again 32. So 35 20. Yeah, by 7 centimeter square.
ఇక్కడ చూడు ఎత్తి సలవా జోడు చొరవా కలిపి పిలిచే
Yeah. So if you talk about hemisphere now, yeah, if you talk about hemisphere now, same. So hemisphere, this one. So R value we know is 8 centimeters, and CSA of hemisphere will write it as 2 pi r square, and 2 into pi value 22 by 7, r value 8 into 8. So 22 2s are 44 and 8 8s are 64 by 7 as it is. And the multiply of both we can write 2816 by 7 centimeter square. And here I mentioned already individual cone area, cone CSA, cylinder CSA, hemisphere CSA. Therefore, the total CSA is equals to sum of the three numbers. Okay. So all are like fractions. I have written 7 by 7 as it is, and 8096 is the sum of the three numbers. So if you convert into decimal form, that is 1156. So 1156.57 centimeter square. Okay. Right. So in this way we can solve the problems of the complex figures. Okay. Okay, I hope you got it, right? Right. Okay. So third figure will do.
So a medicine capsule is in the form of a cylinder with two hemispheres stuck of each 8 ends. The length of the capsule is 14 millimeter and the thickness is 5 mm. Then find the surface area. Right.
Capsule, it's a tablet. Okay. So capsule in the form of cylinder, and both ends it has a hemisphere, and the length of the cylinder is 14 mm. The thickness of the hemisphere is 5 mm. Okay. Now yeah, right, 14 mm, 5 mm. Okay.
Then now we'll write
So first we'll talk about hemisphere. Right. Yeah.
so the given values of hemisphere.
D value, the total thickness has given, that is 5 mm. So R value I can write it as D by 2. So simple, I can write 5 by 2 mm. Okay. The simplification we'll see later. Okay. Okay. Next, CSA of one capsule. Oh, sorry. So one hemisphere. Then 2 pi r square. Okay. So 2 into 22 by 7 into 5 by 2 into 5 by 2. Okay. 2 and 2 get cancelled. So no cancellations. By 7. Oh, sorry. 7 into 2 has this. And we'll write 22 into 25. Cancellations again we'll make. Sorry. We'll do it. 2 ones are 2 11 times. Simple, by 7 as it is better. 11 5s are 55 into 5. Okay, we'll see. Next. So now I'll find a CSA of two hemispheres. Right? CSA of two hemispheres. So I'll do that. 2 into, so 55 into 5, better to do 25 2 and 25 27 better. So simple, 275 by 7. So if you multiply, 2 5s are 10, 1 carry, 2 7s are 14 plus 1 15, 1 carry, and 550 by 7 m square.
It is the area of
two hemispheres, both end. Okay. Now CSA of a cylinder. Cylinder I will calculate as 2 pi RH because it is CSA of a cylinder. Okay. So 2 pi RH you will calculate it as 2 into pi value 22 by 7, R value 5, H value 14. 7 1s are 7 2s are, right? Right. Next 44 into 2, 88 into 5, correct? So 5 8s are 40, 0, 440. Yeah, R value actually we know is 5 by 2, right? And 2 and 2 get cancelled. Simple, we'll write 44 into 5 beta. So 4 5 is 20, 0 to 20. So 220 centimeter square. So 220 centimeter square. Therefore, total CSA, here we got it 220 plus, there we got it 550 by 7. So 220 and the 550 by 7 we'll write it as a decimal form, that is 78.57. Yeah, 78.57. Look at decimal, we have a whole part, we have only 78. So we'll write a 298.57 centimeter square. So it is the CSA of a total solid figure. Okay. Right. I hope you understand. So the rest of the problems we'll see in coming videos. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day, children.